Yo, it's the Land Assassin. What's up? What's happening? Here with my cousins, Brandon and Derek. What up, dudes?
What up?
We're at the Butte. Let's handle some business. Let's do our thing. They promised me they'd make me a local celebrity, but we'll see what's up. We'll see what kind of pull they got. Dude, we used to have a rule on my old boat, and the rule was every time you catch a fish, that's 10 push-ups. It was a chingon rule. But we caught a lot of fish, so it got, after a while I was like, I've already done a lot of push-ups, this shit hurts. So that was the moment where you're all like, yeah, I caught a fish. God damn it, I caught a fish. Yeah. So they call it match the hatch. So if for some reason these are eating very tiny baits or very tiny fish, then you want something roughly the same size. That's why I pulled out that bait fish and we looked at it and we're like, okay, it's this size. That's what they're eating. So you match the hatch.
Do you have a preference, like with that bait or this one? Which one you like more?
Oh, I would much rather throw this bait, dude. This bait is slower, but it's just, I have a lot more confidence in this.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I can feel like all the rocks, and I just saw like, okay, leave it on the floor, just drag it a little bit. That bait, I throw it when necessary, but it's just, I'm not a fan. It catches fish, but I'd rather have them, because you just feel it different, dude. So on that, you'll just feel like, you know, like when they bite. Yeah. But on this one, you feel a boom. And you're like, oh, you little bitch. And then when you set the hook, oh, dude, like if I set the hook, you'll see that I'm gonna set the hook like I'm squatting. You almost fall in? No. I saw you almost fall in. No, I didn't. I know. I saw you.
Dude, these shoes got mad grip, bro. I ain't going nowhere.
The shoes will stay here. You'll be in the water.
Are the white ones big mouth bass?
No, the ones that we're catching are just white bass.
Oh, just like that.
Yeah, and then the greenish ones with white on them, those are largemouth, also known as black bass, because in Florida they look dark, like they look just darker than they do here. And the smallmouth, they look like I don't know, they have a cool like camel pattern to them. When I catch one, I'll show you.
That one?
Oh, that's what's up. Yeah. Oh wait, that's a shad, bro. How did you catch a shad? You got one? Dude, he just caught himself a largemouth. That's what's up.
I told you you're gonna be the first one. Nice. I need a bait change. Bait change.
Bait change. That's because they're roughly using the same baits. And on the channel, dog.
Yeah. That's what's up.
That's how the rookies show me what's up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's not legal. But no, it's not legal. You could have measured it, but it's not legal. Like from my personal experience, that's not legal. Not that I around with shit that's not legal. We don't take those kind of risks, bro.
Not that guy.
I take risks, but not those kinds of risks, bro. I got too much to lose. Ooh, beautiful cast. I hope that's on camera. Oh, it's a white bass. So I'm gonna stay for the record. Pretty sure my boy was all like, hey, let's get the out of here, bro. Let's you.
I said let's turn the curve right over.
Ah, no. Dude, did he say, hey, let's go fish all that over there?
Yeah, I don't know.
It's all on.
I'm hot.
It's all on film, so I'll get. We'll instant replay that. Be like, see, bro, told you. You get another one?
No way.
Yeah, it's white bass.
Damn, son. What, Derek?
I think I figured it out.
Here we go now. Just hooked into a decent smallmouth. Been fighting them for a little bit. Did a nice little show jumping out of the water, but I don't want to do that shit again.
Damn, yeah, it's pretty sweet, huh?
Alright, I'm gonna flip him into the boat. Alright, wait, you're not gonna flip this. It's a little heavier than I thought. Yeah, I got him. I give him a shot, bro. I give him a chance. Oh, that's like a 3 pound or smallmouth.
That's what's up.
Hooked real nice. He was buttoned up. Buttoned up real nice. But like always, GoPro's off when the action happens. God. Look how broad that boy is.
That's nice.
Oh, what's up? The homies in off over there with the fish. It's just like, what's up?
Switch our rig up around. Huh? Go around,
Yeah.
around.
3-1. 3 pounds, 1 ounce. But he fought like a 5 pound largemouth. You guys saw the little nice little battle. Dude, look at that bad boy.
That's a nice one. That's worth it right there.
Gee,
That's a smallmouth.
smallmouth. Yeah, this is the pattern that I was telling you guys about.
Oh, the
You
camel?
see how he's got like a little camouflage pattern right there?
Yeah.
Largemouth will have like a couple black stripes. They'll be lighter green and then white on the bottom. This guy's white, but you see how it's all like a dark, like a muddy look. Dude, that's a good fish.
That was some badass action right there, bro.
Thanks, dude. I didn't expect that to jump. I just went with him. Once he jumped, I was like, all right, it, we're going airborne. How high did he jump? Like he jumped right about there?
He jumped pretty high, but I was like, oh,
That would have been awesome. A catch. So you see those cranes right there? Those cranes are telling you, oh, who's that, dog? That's you? Were you slowly reeling it in? Oh, you missed him. Oh, that was him?
I thought that was me. You got him?
I don't know who the hell that was,
I
bro.
sworn I f***ing pulled up like I got it.
Oh. Okay, so I got it then. I told you I was gonna clear this lake with this lure. I said I was gonna clear this lake with this lure. I'm sure you guys want this one, right? Yeah, except you guys had one and then you lost it.
The top water?
No, the fish that you guys had.
Oh.
That one of you guys had. The whole lake, dog.
On fire now.
But it's for the fish that I don't like. There's another one.
Got it?
Yeah. But he's little. Hardest part is getting him off the hooks. So I can give you this exact bait that I have, but then I need to get another one because I only have this one with me right now of this size. Who's taking this bait out of my hand?
I'll take it.
This is a sacrifice. that I'm giving to you, my friend. Since I
Thank you, Sensei. Thank you.
have caught fish off this bait many times, I have sacrificed my enjoyment for that of yours.
Thank you, Sensei.
I tell you, bro. I don't know how light he is. And slowly reel him up top, and you'll just feel him go plop, 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 plop. Boom. Might have even been on the GoPro.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Brandon.
Quick.
Bring it up, bring it up.
What do we got here? It's another white bass. It's a better size one.
Yeah.
So there you go, bro. You know where to throw. That you, boom, hit it, hit it. Hit it, hit it. Boom, boom, dog. Get pressed, bro.
Dude, I can't hook them. It's the third one.
I need you to catch a topwater, dog. I gave you gold.
Yeah, got one too.
I gave you gold and you seem to be turning into bronze, dog. And then you broke your brother. He ain't fucking moving anymore, bro. He died or something. I don't fucking know.
I'm good now. Honestly, it just feels good to sit down.
For a little while, huh?
I'm just like,
My leg's a bit tired too.
Pro fishing ain't no joke.
bro, fishing ain't no joke. Bro. I was thinking that like an hour ago. I was all, you got this, Brendan? You got this shit? I was like, man, I don't know how to
Right where that shadow is, you see in that cove, or that little baby cove right there, there should be some fish in there, dude. Because shadows cause fish to or they allow fish to hide behind them and give them a little bit of cover. Feel me? So like in there, bro, that's where see those ripples? That's where I am. That's where you should be. And that's where you'll catch a fish. Well, oh, I thought that was you, but it's and I was like, well, that's not where I told you to throw it, but you actually threw it in the right spot. Boom. See what I'm saying, dog?
Damn it, Derek.
Dude, I'm telling you, they're too small. They're not.
Dude, I put you on them fucking fish. I need you to set the hook. You want me to set the hook for you, dog? What the f? Simultaneous synced casting? Oh,
You got it?
dude,
You got it.
now that's my miles, bro. Throw back out there. Oh, there we go. Did you get him?
Oh, I got him.
Got him.
I got this bastard.
I hope it's a fucking giant, bro.
Damn, that didn't even come up, huh?
You hooked him correctly, bro, in the mouth, and it bro. Fucking doubles, dog. That's actually a pretty nice one over there, bro.
Yeah, man, that's pretty good. Was funny.
At least I think. But ooh, man, 3. We all got fish, dog.
Keep going, man.
Okay. Oh shit, he got another one. That's the way he's on fire now. He's using the lake clearing bait like it's supposed to be.
Dang, I hooked it sick. I set that hook sick.
Oh, there was one following it. This fucking guy now, his inability has now turned into fucking an ability and then fucking overconfidence. He's like, oh, I fucking hooked that so sick, dog. You guys turned that switch real fast.
Give us an inch. We take him out.
You fuckers all like,